So welcome back everyone. Swagatam. तो प्रार्थना तु प्रातः काले एव कृतं. तो तदैव अस्मान् रक्षतु इति पुनः प्रार्थनां कृत्वा अग्रे सरामः. तो अद्यतन पदसङ्ग्रहः अर्थात् धातूनां परिचयः, धातूनां केचन मुख्य रूपाणां परिचयः. Jani, to be born. Jani, to be born. Jayate. So, Shishuhu Jayate. Adya Pratah. Adya Pratah, it will be past tense. So, Idanim Shishuhu Jayate is born. Okay. Janyate. Okay. This is the Karmani form. Shishuna Janyate. Janyate means Janma Svikaroti iti. Janyate. Okay, Shishuna Janyate. Janishyate Shwaha. Janishyate. So is born. Will be born. Sorry. Will be born. That one. Then Janitavyam Jananiyam. Janitavyam should be born. Jananiyam should be born. Okay. Should, must. That's all little bit open in the sky for interpretation depending on the context. So that is the agraha. Then jataha. So Shishuhu Sanjataha. The boy was, or the baby was born. Okay. Shishuhu doesn't mean boy, baby. So baby was born. Jata. So Putri Jata. Okay. Then Jatam. Something Napumsakalinga word will take Jatam. Okay. Then Jatavan Pullinga Jatavati. So this is Bhuta Kridanta. The earlier one was Bhuta Kridanta Karmani. Okay. Shishuna Jataha. Something like that. But you can use as a adjective also. Jataha Shishuhu Tatra Asti. Like that. Okay. The newborn kid is over there. Like that. Jatavan. Okay. So this is simple Kartari Bhuta Kridanta. So Shishuhu
Sir,
Pratah
I
Kale.
want to ask, sir, here, Jata is to be born, all these sentences. The next word goes about Jata, Jatam, it is going and went, all this, is it? This is Jataha, Jata, Jatam, Jatavati. All these are all different meaning.
See, Jata can also be used in the sense of something that happened like that.
That's born like that.
Yeah,
Something is born
something
like
that
that.
happened is something that that got birth and occurred, right? So it is in the sense of
Okay.
occurred also. Okay.
Okay.
So we
Then
sometimes extend this to that sense. Yeah.
okay, if it is Jatavan, Jatavati,
That is more like born, more like a fellow that was born, lady
oh,
that was
like that,
born. As,
not that.
some
Okay.
some places only we use that form that you said. Jatah.
Only it is all
Evam,
related to.
evam, evam sanjatah. When I say no normal speech, I use that. Ayoyo, adya pratah evam sanjatah, kimva karavama, evam. Huh?
Okay.
So that doesn't mean something got born. It means
Oh, something has
higagoitu,
happened. Happened.
higagoitu that way. Huh? ऐसा हो
Okay.
गया ऐसा. Huh?
Oh, it's okay.
थोड़ा सेंस थोड़ा परवर्टेड है उधर. हाँ. Yes.
Mahodaya, can I one statement there, please? Mahodaya, there are two dhatus. The one that we are talking is Jan dhatu. There is another dhatu called Jai dhatu.
Jai, how does it run?
So the Jai dhatu is also from Bhuvadigana. And if you add the ta pratyaya to Jai dhatu, it gives you Jataha. That is in the artha of to go.
What is the meaning of you are looking at something? No, what is the meaning of that dhatu?
Kshaye. It gives Shaye to go, to wane.
Kshaya doesn't mean to go. Kshaya means to spend itself.
To wane, decline,
to
decay, to reduce, to contract, to shrink.
Perhaps in some context it is about something that is lost, but in some context the sanjataha is about something that happened also.
Correct.
Okay,
So
not something that went away. So subtle differences are there. Maybe one place the other one is meant, one place this is meant. Okay.
this one is jan in the praturbhave. This
That's
is
what happened. Yeah.
yes, exactly. Thank you, Mahodaya.
No problem. Pradu means to be born. Yeah. Jatavati. Yeah. Jayamanaha. That is the Jayamanaha is happening right like that. Okay. Now if you see why this Jayamanaha, that is because of Atmanepadi Dhatu. Okay. So Atmanepadi Dhatu in the 7th section, it takes this Shanach form, we call it. Okay.
Yeah, Shana,
So
Shana.
yeah. So if you see the Jagru, Jwal, etc., they are taking the Shatru forms. Jwalan, Jwalanti, Jagrat, Jagrati. This is a special dhatu, so it has that Halantataka, Jagrat, Jagrati, this kind of thing. But here we don't have that. That Shatrant is not usable. Shatrant is clearly not usable. Okay, somewhere they are going to talk about that. I think in the very beginning, maybe they told about that Atmanepadi, Parasmaipadi part, but this is very clear. So here you see the number one, you know the Padi more or less. Okay. If it is Ubhayapadi, sometimes Sanskrit Bharati should have shown it as slash that. Okay. That they don't. I have not always seen them show. I'm sure some of the dhatus they have introduced are Ubhayapadi and they have not shown the Atmanepadi form. We can cross check that separately. Okay, so Jayamana has the same meaning as Shatranta. Okay, there is no difference between Jayamana and sense of Jwalan Jwalanti. Okay, so we should remember that there is no meaning difference except the pratyaya is switched over to Shanach instead of Shatru. That's all. Okay. Then Janitva and Prajanya is Tvanta Lyabanta. Again, we know Upasarga Yukta Lyabanta. Upasarga Rahita Dhatoho Tvanta. Eva. Okay. So that is having done something. Okay. Both mean the same except if there is Upasarga, it is Lyabanta. Then Janitum, Tumun, in order to do some action, right? So Janitum, this is the Hetu Bhava. Okay. So Shishum Janitum Mata माता ಯಾವ ಆಲಯ ವೈದ್ಯಾಲಯಂ ಗತವತಿ like that. Okay. Jagr, wake up. Jwal, to burn. Dayate is the form of
Ajayata, right? Past tense.
Was there a question?
The question is, if we were to tell this in lung form, it will become Ajayata, right? Ajayata for Atmanepadi.
The Atmanepadi dhatus take that form, correct?
Because that is more familiar than this Jatavan, Jatavati. In general, we don't hear this.
Yeah, not always we popularly use some forms. We end up using the other one, correct? And it's not often that we talked of something that was born and oxa in reference like that. Okay, so the D to fly, the dayate. So D is actually Itakshara is also shown there. So dayate, so flies. For example, Kakaha uddayate. We had seen it in the story. That one, Kakaha uddayate. Diyate. See the transformation into the niche form or the karmani form, right? So kakena diyate, pakshina diyate, like that. Pakshina va syat nama, chintavanastu idani. Daishyate, future tense, and so on and so forth. So nad, see again the technical transformation of the nakara to nakara. Due to Panini rules, the dhatu form and the final form has some transformation. Okay. So don't worry that it looks nothing like the final form, but that there are rules in his grammar to go from here to there. Now, why the dhatu pata is that way? I mean, it's a little deep. Even I don't know how to answer that. Okay, nadati, to sound. Nada comes from this. Nada is the one that we are mostly familiar with. We are not familiar so much with this nadati forms, but nada is something we very much know. So nadyate, nadishyati, etc. like that. All right. There is a different form called nudati. Don't confuse that with nadati. Nudati means to nudge or something like that. That is a different dhatu. शिशुः जायते, शिशुः जागर्ति, जागर्ति, wakes up. Then काष्ठाः ज्वलन्ति, plural. ज्वलति, ज्वलतः, ज्वलन्ति. बकः डयते, so the baka pakshi flies. Ghanta nadati, so the bell rings, makes a sound. Okay. Prahelika samayah. Vijaya, just let me check. Yeah. Vijaya Rajaputrarehe Yannama Chaturaksharam Purvardam Tava Vairinam Parardam Tava Sangha Re is like an address. Sangha and then Re. So it's been joined together. Sangha Re like that. Okay. So Re is simply like a LA in Kannada we say na. Hey, that one only, almost more or less. Okay. So Viraja Raja Putrarehe. Let us break that down. Okay. Here I have it here. Okay. So Virajaha is Vehe Rajaha, Shashti Tat Purusha. Vehe Rajaha. Okay. And Ve means Pakshi. Okay. So Virajaha means the king of Pakshis, big king of birds. Virajaha. So Viraja.
Garuda only, if you say.
I have the picture here. So let us wait for the excitement. Okay.
Yeah.
Viraja Raja is the king of birds. Okay, actually, Viraja doesn't necessarily mean king of birds. It simply means sky king. Okay, so Ve itself is not Pakshi. So sky's king. Okay, is Virajaha. So it can be many things. Bird is also one definite king of the sky. Viraja Rajaha is the king of birds. Okay, Tasya Raja, Viraja Rajaha. So as you know, Raja, Rajan Shabda switches over to Hrisva Akaranta Shabda in a Samasta. So Raja becomes Rajaha in the Pratama Vibhakti. In Pratama Vibhakti, Raja of Rajan becomes Raja Shabda. So Rajaha it will become. We cannot call it Raja Shabda. It is blah blah Raja Shabda. Maharaja Shabda, Viraja Raja Shabda, Raja Raja Shabda, like that. Okay. All right. Viraja Rajaha is the king of birds. Okay. And Tasya Putraha Viraja Raja Putraha. So that is the third stack of Samastapada. Viraja Raja Putraha. And then Tasya Arihi. Arthat Viraja Raja Putrasya Arihi. Ari in Sanskritam means enemy. Okay. Ari is enemy. So Shatruhu Arihi. So Viraja Raja Putraha Tasya Arihi Putrasya Arihi Viraja Raja Putrarihi. Okay, Viraja Raja Putra plus Arihi, Savarna Dirgha, mandatory Sandhi, Viraja Raja Putrarihi. Okay, so what that and then that is in Saptami, Viraja Raja Putrarehe. Arehe means in the Ari. Okay, or Shashti. Actually, Shashti, Kshamyatam. Arehe is of that enemy. So, Arau would be Saptami. So, Arehe is Shashti. So, sixth case. So, this whole person is in sixth case. That means of that person. What is that person? Son of king of birds. King of sky, which is king of birds. So, Yannama Chaturaksharam. Whatever is the name of such a person is four letters. Okay. So that is the first clue. Then Purvardham Tava Vairinam, the prior half is of your enemies. See the same Ari, Vairi is an extension of the Ari. So Ari, Vairi is also the enemy with a Vishishta Ari, Vairi. Okay, so Vairinam of your enemies. So the prior half, Purvarda is prior half, which is basically first couple of letters, I guess. Okay, Parardam Tava Sangha Re. So the latter half is your friend or something like that. Okay, so let us see what the English meaning is. Now we have tried to extract our own meaning. I don't know how far afield I have gone. Let us see. May you have the latter half and your enemy is the farmer half. So Purvardam Tava Vairinam Bhavatu, Parardam Tava Bhavatu, Tava Sangha Bhavatu, Evam. So Vairinam Sangha Bhavatu Parardam Tava Sangha Bhavatu. So slightly deviant interpretation I took. So may the earlier half of whatever the 4-letter solution become that of your Vairi, and the latter half become yours. So obviously if somebody is giving a nice blessing thing, he will wish something incorrect for the Vairis, for the enemies, and something Punya Janaka or something useful for the friend. So to whoever is telling this. So that,
Mahoday,
yes, madam.
Sangare is Yuddhai. It's in battle, war, Yuddham. Sangare. Sangare.
Sangare is
Yuddhe.
in the sense of Yuddhe. Okay.
Sir.
Somehow
Yes,
I took
Mahoday.
Re as the Here and Sangha is your thing. Okay. Parardam Tava Bhavet Sangare. There is another popular word for Yuddha which is coming in the same I'm forgetting that. Sangarshana. Yeah, I think that is more familiar. So Sangarshana comes from Sangha origins only, correct. So Sangarshane is same as Sangare. Okay. All right. But no mention of battle in this sentence at all.
No, Mahoday, it is Sangaha. Sanghar, it becomes Visarga Sandhi. Then Visarga Saptami of Sanghar is Sangare.
But Visarga of Sangare and then Saptami of that. What is Visarga of Sangha? How is its accent meaning?
Sangaha plus Re.
Not too
Sanghar
confident
plus
of
Re.
that Vyutpatti Mahodaya. You need to look. Huh? To look. Anyway, Sangharshana is clearly the one we know. There is one more word, Samara, something like that in Kannada. I don't know whether there is a Sanskrit word for Samara also, something like that, which is also battle. Okay. But I don't know, it doesn't sound.
Sangrama.
Sangrama is also there?
Sangrama. Sangrama in
Oh,
Kannada.
Okay. So then that is coming from Sangha only. Yeah. So Sangrama. Okay. So in a war, may your enemy obtain the earlier half and you obtain the latter half. So the earlier half must be defeat and the latter half must be victory is my imagination from the second half. Okay. So but both together is the name alias for king of birds. So or his son. Okay. So let us see.
Mahodaya, we have it in Narayaniya Dashakam, Shlokam 1, Dashakam 37. Chandrananta Tano Hare Nanu Pura Daiva Sure Sangare. It is Yuddham.
Yuddham there. Okay, so that word is used in that. Okay, excellent. Okay, all right. So, guys, anybody wants to imagine what it could be? For example, for Vairi, it can be Mrityu, and for your king, it may be victory.
Jaya.
Mrityunjaya. Mrityunjaya, it sounds like, right? So Mrityu and Jaya, it sounds like. So Mrityu for the Vairi and Jaya for our party, like that. So maybe Mrityunjaya is the name. If we look up the Puranas and see the aliases, maybe that is one name. Okay. So let us see. I will open this up. Okay. V is bird, Viraja is Garuda. So my earlier interpretation was correct. V is not sky and Raja Garuda. So V is bird and Viraja is Garuda, king of birds. Viraja Raja is Vishnu. Okay, the king of Garuda is Vishnu. Viraja Raja Putra, Vishnu's son is Manmata. And Viraraja Raja Putrarihi is Shiva, correct? He had made Manmata into Basma, no? During that incident. Right. Viraja Raja Putrari, he is Lord Shiva. His 4-letter name is Mrityunjaya. Okay. So because he was immortal. And its former half is Mrityuhu, which is death for the enemy, and Jaya for the king, victory in the war. I wish they had given a simple word for word meaning also for the other words. But anyway, so yeah. Mrityunjaya, correct answer, but my interpretation was all wrong. I thought it is a alias for Garuda or something. No, it's alias for Garuda's king's son.
Sun, yeah.
And his enemy, Arihi,
Yeah.
so which is Shiva. So it's bringing Shiva into the equation in the most indirect fashion one can imagine.
Mahodaya,
Huh.
Paradhi Tava Sangare, where does the word king come from this? It seems more like Jayaha in battle. Sangarshanam eva Jayaha bhavati. Where is
Tava, it comes from Tava, no?
Sangare, because I'm trying to look for the definition for king. Victory for the king.
King is basically the extension meaning is here the Kavi is praising his king with this verse when he's going on to the battle.
Oh, okay,
that is the context.
Okay.
With the context only the king has come in, correct.
Okay.
It is not the king from the earlier Viraja Raja Putra Rehe Namach.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
Tava Vairinam, your enemies, and Tava Sangare, your war. So who goes to war? The king. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
That way.
Could it be Sangare Purvardham Tava Vairinam Paradham, like that?
Exactly. In the battle, may the previous half of that earlier answer become that for your Vairis, and the latter half become yours. Jaya,
Yes.
let it be yours, and Mrityu, let it be Vairis. Correct. That's exactly what it is.
Right.
So forget my Hey Sangare and all the mistakes. Okay. Yeah. So this we know now. Interesting. Here is the story of Manmata's destruction in one picture from the beautiful Chandamama paintings of Vape, one of the artists. His sign name is Vapa. He must some other name.
He's Vaddadi Papaya.
Vaddadi Papaya. Wow, what a painter he was. Shankar and Vapa used to be the two sketch artists for Chandamama. Those bygone eras of glorious monthly magazines. Subhashitam. Okay. So Mahodaya, Papaya, I got it right. What is the full name again, Mahodaya?
Vaddadi Papaya. It is
Vaddadi Papaya. Actually, that publication house was also called Vadapalani, like that. Vadapalani, something like that. VP was the Vadapalani publications. So there was some Telugu links to that publishing house.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And also, I think the Telugu version of Chandamama used to be also very grand, and Kannada was brilliant for us, and yeah, it was great.
That was the only magazine we used to get when we were small. It was really good. Chandamama.
Safe magazine to bring home.
Correct, yeah.
Child safe. Anyway, those glorious days of Chandamama. It's shut down, closed long back. Subhashitam. One second. So, शास्त्राण्यधीत्यापि भवन्ति मूर्खाः यस्तु क्रियावान् पुरुषः स विद्वान् सुचिन्तितं चौषधमातुराणां न नाममात्रेण करोत्यरोगम् शास्त्राण्यधीत्यापि भवन्ति मूर्खाः यस्तु क्रियावान् पुरुषः स विद्वान् सुचिन्तितं चौषधमातुराणां न नाममात्रेण करोत्यरोगम्. Second part is the simile. Okay. Second part is the udaharana, example of a simile. First part is the bodha. Okay. In this Subhashita. In the first part, what they are saying, Shastrani. Okay. Shastrani. Adhityapi, E plus a yan sandhi is there. Okay. Shastrani adhitya api, savarna dirgha there. Okay. Shastrani adhitya api. Many shastras after learning also. Adhitya api, after memorizing or learning also. Murkaha bhavanti. Okay. Bhavanti murkaha. Let us keep it up straight, not applied. So bhavanti murkaha, what they bhavanti, let us see whether murkaha bhavanti or vidvamsaha bhavanti. We will see the cross. So yah tu kriyavan purushaha saha vidwan. So okay, that first sentence concludes there. Second pada is another sentence. Okay, so murkaha shastrani adityapi murkaha eva bhavanti iti. I mean, just knowing shastras doesn't bring them out of murkhata sometimes. That's what is the intent of the first half, is what first quadrant is what I interpret. Yahatu, one who indeed, kriyavan purushaha, proactive person, one who is go and getting type, kriyavan, one who is active. So that kind of man, saha vidwan. So merely knowing shastras doesn't remove murkhata. Proactive action orientedness is what makes a vidwan. Okay, so great. That is the statement. The simile is suchintitam cha aushadam aturanam. Suchintitam, properly thought out, that thing. Cha, and aushadham, the medicine, aturanam, of the sick. Okay, aturaha is a sick, aturanam is of the sick. Okay, so na nama matrena, not only by name, karoti arogam. It doesn't make the aturas rogarahitas. Aroga means without roga. So what this is telling, knowing the name alone of a proper medicine doesn't remove the disease of the ill. So you have to undergo the treatment. Okay, same way, just knowing the shastras will only retain your murkata. If you know how to apply them, then you will become a vidwan. Same thing is there in the simile in using the parable of aushadhi and name of the aushadhi. Okay, shastra is the nama matrena aushadhi, this thing which is shastra the adhyayana, whereas kriyavan shastra sakriya shastra tattu like a bishop giving the correct medicine to the rogi. That is suchintitam aushadhi aturanam krite उपयोगाय भवति यदा तैः तत्स्वीक्रियते. एवम्. Okay, fairly straightforward subhashitam, I guess. Okay, so shastrani adhitya api bhavanti murkaha. So we saw a couple of sandhis here, otherwise straightforward. Yahatu, yastu, so that is a sattva of a visarga becoming a sakara. So yahatu kriyavan purushaha saha lopa, sakara lopa, visarga lopa is seen, saha becomes sa. So lopa, almost all types of visarga sandhi we see everywhere. Vidwan, as is, suchintitam, properly thought out, except they wrote it with the halanta makara form, because now it's an independent word without minding the neighborhood. They have written it. Cha is the avyaya, it's there. Aushadam, so there is nothing very special happening there. Plus au. There is actually a sandhi. Can you name the sandhi? Cha plus aushadam, chaushadam?
Vriddhi sandhi.
Vriddhi sandhi, very correct. See, aukara continues to generate au, but it has undergone a sandhi there. Why we say it has undergone a sandhi? Because there is a vikara, varna vikara. See, chakara has ch plus a, and aushadam has au as the starting letter. Chaushadam has ch plus au. Akara has elided. Akara has gone away in the chaushadam. Because there is a varna vikara of the akara disappearing, the vriddhi has happened, is the conclusion. Okay. So chaushadam is a vriddhi of cha plus aushadam. So this sometimes we think, oh, this is a samhita, there is no sandhi. Be very careful. Look, see, there is a akara missing there. Okay, so you look for varna vikara. Anyway, aturanam, of the afflicted. Aturaha is rogi. Na nama matrena, only by name, that is there. Karoti Arogam. So another end sandhi. Ikara plus akara with the ikara changing to yakara. So yu plus a ya. So karot yarogam. Yarogam. Okay. End sandhi. Couple of end sandhis. And we saw one Savarna Dirgha somewhere, Adityapi. Many we saw a couple of Visarga variants, Sandhi variants. We saw one Vriddhi also. Not bad. Huh? It's a good case for Sandhi analysis. They have put that here. You guys please do more than just this. You think of what Sandhi it is every time and make a jotting within brackets. Okay. It's always a good exercise. Once you master it after a while, then it becomes internalized. You don't need to do it again because you will now be confident. I know how to do it every time. Okay, if needed.
One this karoti is kru dhatu.
Correct.
And the kriya one is kruta.
Same kru dhatu going through some transformations. There are different types of flows. Okay, so kriya is generated first from kru dhatu as some kind of a prakriya. Okay. Kriya is the nominative title for action, like that. Okay. Then Kriyavan is from that. Okay. Yeah.
And Aditi is Di Dhatu.
Aditya, correct.
Aditya.
Aditya. Yeah. Dhi Dhatu. Is a upasarga there. Aditya.
Aditya. Thank you, sir.
Actually, yeah, can only be a upasarga there. Unless there is a dhatu, adhi. No, it is a dhi dhatu only. It's not adhi.
It is e dhatu, Mahodaya. E.
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 What is that you are looking at? Meaning?
Is the dhatu for Aditya. It is the lyap pratyaya there on top of it.
Lyap is clear, but how dhakara came is the question.
That's a question I also have, but it is e dhatu plus lyap is what I have understood as. But let me check once more and come back to you. It is
because there is a dha dhatu, mahaprana dha dhatu for wearing. Sometimes this wearing knowledge is used in that sense. So we have to check the dha dhatu also. Okay.
Okay. Because e is giving adite.
So we need to cross check against dha dhatu. See, that's why the 2000 dhatus of Sanskritam is a big mystery. Some of them, why there are so many dhatus, like subtle variations which we have lost over time. We have to relearn them using examples like this. Old shlokas like this bring us back to the correct dhatu sense. Yeah. Here Aditya simply means learned, having learned. Okay. A person, though well versed in various branches of study, shastras, okay, is still a fool when he does not put it to practice. Okay, slightly differently it is there in the Sanskritam. They have gone to a different English tatparya. He who practices what he preaches is a genuine scholar. That is a correct thing. Okay, second half. In fact, it's a combination of first and second half there. A mere mention of good drug will not cure an ailing person. Only when it's taken will he be cured. Okay, very good. So they have gone into the Pratipadartha. You guys check it out. The Pratipadartha they have said, but almost whole padas they have put set. It's not too different from Tatparya. You guys break it a little bit more. Okay, don't do this. It's too cruel. To call it Pratipadartha. Nothing wrong in what they have done, but to call it Pratipadartha is far afield. Okay.
Mahodaya, just a clarification on the previous point. It is e dhatu plus twa pratyaya only. No, not even lyap.
Then what is the prefix is the question.
No prefix.
Adhitya.
Aditya is coming from e plus twa.
But how did ad come? It's through a transform then, through a formula
somewhere
transform.
The prakriya it must have come, but it is just e plus twa pratyaya. It is in the adadi ganado.
We'll check. I'll later try to go and analyze to see if I remember. Okay. Ayatyam, ayatihi is karya vishesha, special type of work. So ayatyam gunadoshajnyaha, see gunadoshajnyaha tadatve, okay, क्षिप्रनिश्चयः अतीते कार्यशेषज्ञो विपदा नाभिभूयते। पुनः आयत्यां गुणदोषज्ञः तदात्वे क्षिप्रनिश्चयः अतीते कार्यशेषज्ञो विपदा नाभिभूयते. Okay. So ayatyam is in a task to be done. Ayatihi means karya vishesha, the way I have showed there. And tada, you know, tada is at that time, right? Tadatva is the dharma of tada. Mean that then at that time, like that. Okay. So that means tadatva is a urgency, type of urgency. So tadatve is in an urgent matter, saptami application of that. Tadatve, in an emergency, in an urgent matter. So ayatyam gunadoshagnyah tadatve kshipranischayah. So in this would be the correct quality. In this would be the correct quality. This kind of description Subhachita it is. So in ayatya, in a task to be done, gunadoshagnyah tadatve kshipranischayah, in urgency, ability to determine fast. Kshipra means in a short time and nischaya means a determination. So making a determination in a short time, something like that. Okay. Let us see. Atite karyasheshagnyah vipada na abhibhuyate. So not very obvious to me immediately. So let us go through the process to learn it. Okay. Write the Padavibhaga by yourself. So ayatyam gunadoshagnyah, no sandhi break. Tadatve, it is actually a construct, so we cannot break it. Kshipranischayah is again a samasta, we cannot break it. Atite is correct. Same way. Karyasheshagnyah. So here we can reverse a utva of a visarga. Karyasheshagnyah vipada in vipat. So there is again no change. Na abhibhuyate, one savarna dirgha sandhi break. So couple of simple breaks are there. They didn't bother. They have shown it anyway. Karya sheshagnyah plus vipada, na plus abhibhuyate. So that is taken care of. Okay. So I have written a few things here. Ayatihi tasyam ayatyam. Okay. Strilinga shabda. Gunam dosham cha janati yah guna doshagnyah. So one who knows the guna and the dosha, one who knows the properties and the faults of something is a person with that knowledge. Guna doshagnyah. Tada tadatvam tadatve, we saw that analysis. Kshiprataya nischinoti yah kshipra nischayah. All are bahuvrihis. Okay, that means they are all persons with that quality. Kshiprataya, with within a small time or in urgent manner, one who determines is kshipra nischaya, one who has a quick decision. So quick decision maker. Gunadoshagnyah is knower of good and bad. You can say closest translation. Okay, let us see next. What is this? Karye shishtabhagam janati iti karya sheshagnyah. See, that is the next one. Okay, karye shishtabhagam. So in a work, whatever remains, what is there remaining in a work to be done, the one who knows that is the karya sheshagnyah, one who is able to analyze the balance work that remains in something that needs to be done completely. Very good. Okay. Vipad, Stri Dakaranta Shabdaha, Vipada is Tritiya Ekavachana. Okay. From Vipat, like that. Actually, with Vipat, something like that. Okay. Karana, Karaka. Okay. Okay. Let us by Vipad. Yeah. By Vipad would be the correct translation. Okay. Let us see. A person who knows the good and evil consequences of a task to be done. So gunadoshagnyah, okay, and can take a quick decision on an urgent matter. Kshipranischayah, tadatve kshipranischayah, one who knows how to take a quick decision on an urgent matter. Almost an impossible person to find with such stacked qualities. Anyway, and knows what is still remaining of a task to be done. Atite karya sheshagnyah, in what has happened, not probably in an incomplete manner, he knows what remains to be done. Okay. One more difficult skill. Vipada na abhibhuyate. He will never face any vipat. He will never face any problem which will stop him from getting his things done. Clearly, no argument at all. we already, even as they are stacking these gunas, we know, oh, such a difficult thing to find. So very nice. Okay. So one who knows the right and wrongs of a task, one who knows how to do an urgent matter, one who knows what remains to be done, such a person will never face any danger, difficulty, such things. Okay, right. A person who knows the good and evil consequences of a task to be done and can take a quick decision in urgent matter and knows what is still remaining of a task to be done will never face any difficulty. Pratipadartha ayatyam gun, they have gone with pairs, which is good here. Ayatyam gunadoshugnyah tadatve kshipranischayah atite karyasheshagnyah vipada na abhibhuyate. One will not face any difficulty. Actually, I think 3.1, why it is in Karana mode? Why it is in Vipada? 3.1. See here, I have brought it in. Let me click this. Okay. So, Vipat is danger. Okay, Vipat, Vipadau, Vipadaha, Vipadam, Vipadau, Vipadaha, Vipada. Na abhibhuyate. So we have to get the sense of abhibhuyate correctly here. Okay. So here they have said not face. So from that something. So from that he will not suffer. That sense is there in this combination. That's why this is in Karana. Okay. So Vipada Manushyaha et Tagnyah. Let us just call him Tagnya from all this. Vipada Tagnyah na abhibhuyate. Something like that. In a Karmani form mode it is there. Okay. So I think it's in Karmani. Okay. All right. That's all I can guess. So the Karma Pada is actually the Tagnya. The Kartru Pada is the Vipat. Okay. That is a Strilinga, the Karanta Shabda. And Abhibhuyate is in Karmani action. On the Tagnya from the Vipat. Very interesting construction of the sentence. Okay. Kavya Katha. Okay, time for somebody to help me. Anybody? Ravi Shankar, you have your hands up. Did you have any questions, sir?
Sorry, sir. Last time I raised it.
No problem. No problem. Yeah. Anybody wants to lead us with the katha? Jyotsna? Shilpa? Shilpa has her hand up. Geeta has her hand up. Rajeshri has her hand up. Shilpa, I have taken her help before. Geeta Prasanna and Rajeshri. So let me call Geeta Prasanna. She wins the vote. Rajeshri, I will get you next. Sarita, you please stand by. Geeta Prasanna, you go with the first paragraph.
Astu Mahodaya. Kavyakatha Indraprastha Prayanam. Shri Krishnasya Vachanam Shrutva Balaramaha Swabhiprayam Kathitavan.
Just pause there. So we are continuing this story, remember. So now Shri Krishna, you remember, has got Narada's visit, and Narada has told him, you are born to kill Shishupala and all that, and goes away. His job done. Then urgent summons come from the Kirata who has come to tell. No, not Kirata. Somebody who urgent summons has come from Yudhishthira, right? Saying, look, I need to conduct this yaga, and I don't know. I'm not too confident of this. Arjuna, Bhima, they're always playing around, going into the forest and finding new wives. So you come and protect my yagna. Sorry. Actually, in Mahabharata, was it only Yudhishthira who was Ekapatni Vratastha?
But for him also there was another wife. That's what.
Oh God! Oh God! So there goes my balloon. Okay. It's a different
Nakula
time.
Sahadeva also had, is it? They also had.
Yeah. I think they. Yeah. Oh, there. Not much is there, so we kind of assume they were quiet guys, right? It's a funny story. Anyway, I love the simple humanness of our epics. Okay. So Sri Krishna Indraprastha Prayanam. So Indraprastha is the place, okay, to where the yaga is to be held, and the travel to that place. Okay. Kurukshetra, Indraprastha, they are all their regions in the north, right? So Sri Krishnasya Vachanam Shrutva, having heard the word of Sri Krishna, Balarama. Oh, they were in a mantralochanam, right? So three of them. So it is about that. So Balarama, having heard Sri Krishna's confusion about what to do, okay. But Sri Krishna in fact hints that Dhritarashtra doesn't need my help. I need to go take care of the Shishupala. Something like that. Balaramaha swabhiprayam katitavan. His own abhipraya, that means his own opinion, he told. Continue, Bhagini.
Idanim Jaitrayatra Uchita Natu Yagnayatra.
Sorry for the image cutting. Idanim now Jaitra Yatra Uchita Natu Yajna Yatra. Jaitra means some kind of a war related travel. So let us see here. Number 1. Conquest. Okay. So it basically to take care of that Shishupala and conquesting him, the enemy. So Jaitra Yatra is related to that. So that itself is the proper. Balarama is always ready with warring tendency, I guess. So Natu Yajna Yatra. There is no point in doing Yajna now. You should go and take care of the enemy. Okay. Shishupala. Continue, Bhagini.
Shishupalaha kevalam lokapidiko na tavapi shatruhu.
Shishupala is not just the tormentor of the world. Pidakaha is Pidako. So he is not just the tormentor of the world. He is also your enemy. Continue.
Purvam saha Rukminim tava bharyam apekshitavan.
That fellow, not only he is just Shatru. Earlier, this is the best way to kindle Krishna, no? So he is batti laga raha hai. So earlier he even expected or wanted your wife Rukmini. Remember that? Hey Krishna, like that. Okay.
Ta na prapta. Ataha kupitaha saha.
He didn't. Go read. Sorry.
Ataha kupitaha saha sada tava hitameva chintayati.
Now see, he wanted the hand of Rukmini, but she came to you. So sa na prapta. She was not obtainable by him. Sataha, therefore, kupitaha saha, the one who became angry, that fellow, sada, always, tava ahitam eva, your illness in the sense of ill happenings. Ahita is some ill happening. So your ill happening only chintayati, he thinks that he's always thinking of bad things for you. Continue, madam.
Evam bahuvaram saha aparadham krutavan.
Not just one. This is one I have told you. Many times he has cheated you.
Tasya kshama nochita. Prathamam saha hantavyaha.
So it's not appropriate to be tolerant. So tasya kshama means tolerance towards him in that sense. Okay. So utna uchita nochita. So that is guna sandhi, right? So tasya kshama na uchita. It is not proper to be tolerant to him. Prathamam saha hantavyaha. At first he has to be killed.
Mahodaya. There it's hantavyaha, no? It's tavyat. So wouldn't it be tena hantavyaha or something like that?
Bhavatha. Correct. Prathamam saha asmabhihi hantavyaha or bhavata hantavyaha.
Oh.
Correct. Or tvaya hantavyaha. Because Balarama was so close to Krishna, there is no question of Bhavan. So tvaya hantavyaha. See, tavapi. So he already is using Yushmad. So Tvam Tvaya Hantavyah. Pratamam Saha Tvaya Hantavyah. Or Asmabhihi Hantavyah. Continue, madam.
Oh. Yudhishthiro Yagam Karotu Athava Tyajatu.
This Sanskrit is more like our modern language. I don't know whether Balarama would have spoken like this, but anyway, Yudhishthiraha Yagam Karotu Athava Tyajatu. I mean, Yudhishthira Yaga he may do or he may not do. अरे वो करता नहीं करता वो हमें क्या ऐसा. Okay, next.
Asmakam Swartham Vayam Sadhayama. Iti Dhrudam Swabhiprayam Prakashitavan.
Iti Dridam Swabhiprayam Prakashita. Well done. Sorry, I am breaking in at the wrong times. So Asmakam Swartham Vayam Sadhayama. Let us, take care of our needs. Okay, let us obtain what we need. Swartha is what we need. Like that. Evam iti, like this. Dridam, I mean very firm. Swabhiprayam, his opinion. Prakashitavan Balarama. So Balarama expressed this strong opinion of his. Continue, madam.
Sabha Mandire Pratidvanihi Shrutaha.
Oh, this is more like a luck type of thing. No, we say matter of luck. When we are saying something and then one typically goes chip, chip, chip. We say, oh, see, it is also agreeing with me. That kind of thing. Sabha Mandire Pratidvanihi Shrutaha. So that means seemed like even the Sabha Mandira agreed with Balarama. Like that.
Shakunam.
Okay. Shakuna. Correct. Continue, madam.
Chitradevatah api Balaramsya Abhiprayam eva Uktavatyaha iva.
Iva, see, that's the critical thing here. Who are Chitra Devatas? In the Sabhangana, in the Sabha Mandira, all these ex-kings and all the ex-queen photos and all kinds of things will be hanging, no? So they are all called Chitra Devata. I like this name, Chitra Devata. So all these Chitra Devatas, see, let us see G, what they say. G. Chitra Devata. Ayo, Sandhi break only. They didn't give a nice translation for that. Anyway,
They have given more.
They have given more. They are down.
Number four.
Pictures.
Goddesses in pictures. Okay. I actually get a more deeper sense of not just goddesses in picture, all those ex-kings and all that who are looking down on the current Sabhangana. They also are like Chitra Devatas. Okay. We don't know whether they went to Swarga and became Devas, but in the picture they are Devatas. Api Balaramasya Abhiprayam eva Uktavatyah. See, Devata is a Strilinga Shabda. Okay, so that's why Uktavatyah has been taken. Okay. Devaha would have been Pullinga, so Devata, something like that, has been taken. Okay, all right. Okay. So
shall I continue?
No, we will give. Thank you, Bhagini. You have done a great job. There are lots of people.
Sarita here.
Thanks.
No, Sarita here.
Oh, Sarita, you're already ready to take over. Okay, I thought Geeta was.
I had a question before that.
Shilpa ji, please ask.
One is Sadhayama is what lakar, lot lakara asti va?
No, Uttama Purusha. Sadayami, Sadayavah, Sadayamah. Like that.
And the other question is Shrutaha Tyakta Pratyaya, right? Shruta.
Kta Pratyaya. Yeah.
One fundamental question. Tyak Pratyaya we generally use for karmani when there is a tritiya vibhakti in the sentence, right?
No, you remember there are two contexts. You remember, there is a adjective quality to it also, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's Shrutaha. But Asmabhihi Shrutaha, Tena Shrutaha. You can assume also. Sabha Mandire Taihi Pratidvanihi Shrutaha. Okay? Taihi can be taken in there as in brackets. In which case it is Karmani, fine, yeah.
No, Sabha Mandire is in Tritiya.
Saptami. It's location.
Okay, Saptami. Okay.
Location.
Saptami, yeah.
Location, right? Simple location.
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Sarita Bhagini, you continue now.
Okay. Anantaram Uddavaha Swamatam Katitavan.
After that, Uddhava gave his opinion.
Kevalam Utsaho na karya sadakah.
Only enthusiasm alone, or alone is coming from Kevalam. Enthusiasm alone is not the achiever of results. In this case, karya has to be taken as a result. Okay, continue.
Shama atyantam avashyaki.
Shama is Strilinga Shabda, so avashyaki comes. So patience is the most important need in these times.
Tvara na kartavya.
Tvara is again Strilinga. Urgency should not be done. Urgency female should not be done female in Sanskritam. Kartavya.
Alpasya vishayasya krite bahu prayaso nochitaha.
Alpasya vishayasya krite, on a very, very minor, small matter. See how he's calming down Sri Krishna and Balarama. You have your Rukmini now. You worry about taking care of her. Like that. Alpasya vishayasya krite, for a very small matter, regarding a small matter. Okay, Saptami krite. Bahu prayasaha na uchitaha. Okay, na uchitaha, no chitaha is a guna. Gunasandhi. Prayaso is a visarga utva. Prayasaha na uchitaha. So, some big expedition called Jaitra Yatra. What are you talking about, guys? You send one Vishnu Chakra and he's gone. Okay, don't worry. Continue, madam.
Mushakam grahitum parvatasya khananamiva apicha.
Stop. Full stop. Okay.
Okay.
Mushakam grahitum, to catch a mouse. Parvatasya khananamiva. It's like digging the mountain to catch a mouse. What you guys are talking about? Continue.
Apicha Shishupalasya samipe Rajasamuhaha asti.
Shishupala has lot of kings with him. We have to go with Viveka. It's not like one fellow. It's a gang. So, apicha Shishupalasya samipe Rajasamuhaha asti. Continue.
Ataha saha jetum na sulabha.
Not so easy. We have to be tactical. That's what he's saying.
Kincha bhavan yagaya yadi na gachati tada bandudroho bhavati.
Think about the papa you will by ignoring Yudhishthira's appeal. Why? Kincha, this is a beautiful speak type of thing elements here. So we should throw that bhava here. Okay. Kincha bhavan yagaya yadi na gachati tada bandudroho bhavati. Kila, like that. Okay. So you guys know, slowly develop this dramatization. That's when it starts speaking. The tonality starts speaking to us. Okay.
What is the form of there? Kincha means
kincha means
we use, right?
Kincha means kimcha. It's simply kimcha means
kimcha.
What?
Okay.
What and
okay,
what and, but doesn't carry the meaning of what and also like that. Okay.
Okay. It's sandhi.
Also,
Kim and cha they added that. Okay.
So Mahodaya, sorry for that one. So there's no question mark because Kim is really not a question here.
Question mark is not needed at all in Sanskritam. It is Viveka of Sanskrit Bharati to desire to put a question mark or not. Okay. If you take any Shastra Gadya Rupa, there is no question mark anywhere. Okay. Question mark for us was us from knowing that there is a Kim Shabda, that things like that. But here this is leading off in a different way. Okay. So I read it like this. Kincha Bhavan yaga yadi nagachati tada bandudroho bhavati kila. I actually add a kila in the end as part of the Udgara. Okay.
Okay. Then in Tamil we can say this anal.
Anal. Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yage eva yuddhavakasho bhavishyati.
Now he's telling very smartly. In that yaga itself, there is an opportunity for a war. Okay, yuddhavakashaha bhavishyati. Continue.
Tatraiva Shishupalo hantavyaha.
There Shishupala has to be killed.
Purvam bhavan Shishupalasya ambayai ekam pratignavachanam dattavan. Shishupalasya shatam aparadhan mrishyami iti.
So let's talk. So And also he's now reminding Krishna. Purvam, in the previous days, Bhavan, you, Shishup, see now he's using Bhavan, no Tava business for our Uddhava, poor fellow. Though he was a Jnana Vriddha, he still was very respectful to the king Krishna. But Balarama, elder brother, Purvam Bhavan, Shishupalyasya Ambayai. See, we have to notice these things. Of course, Samskrita Bharati hopefully has brought in the same flavor from the Kavya into this summary text. When we go into the actual original text, you will start enjoying it like anything, because you can, if you pause enough, you will see the drama of their statements. Okay. Actually, every night now I am listening to one young teacher who is teaching Champu Ramayana of Balakanda first. Oh, such a joy. This is Boja's authorship. Bojaraja's Kriti, Champu Ramayana. And it is a retelling of the Ramayana in Boja's words. Valmiki Ramayana only. In fact, he gives obeisance to Valmiki everywhere. And Valmiki Ramayana only he wrote it instead of as verses, he rewrote it as a Champu Kavya. Champu Kavya means one that contains Padyas and Gadyas. So he brilliantly intersperses Gadya text with beautiful verses in between. Okay, some things are in Gadya, some things are in Padya at the appropriate places. And every Padya of his uses exotic vrittis. That means no simple shloka vritti. Sometimes he uses Upavajra, Upendra Vajra. Sometimes suddenly, I mean, some names that were never heard are coming up there. Okay. So very talented poet. Okay. And his Gadya is not just stale words listed stacked. It also has a lot of prasa alankara, though it may not be in meter. It has itself a lot of prasa alankara, shabda alankara, like that. I'm just enjoying every night from 9 to 10. This boy
Sanskrit,
teaches.
Mahodaya. In Sanskrit, is it?
100% Sanskrit.
Okay.
Yeah. So, these things are really enjoyable. Once you start stepping into the world of Sanskritam, it's brilliant. Okay. But of course, you need a good teacher to walk you through it. Because if you open the book, it'll look like, oh, we are looking at some, I don't know what, some coded words which you can't make meaning out of. Okay.
You can share the link, Mahodaya. Maybe we can see sometime.
I will send this first, but it's privately shared. So
Okay.
let me check.
Okay.
Okay. It's a paid course that I'm attending from him.
Okay.
To support him, some of us are paying something and getting that course.
Okay.
He's a student. Yadi tataha purvam tasya hananam bhavishyati. You have to read there.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to translate in the whole bargain. So prior, you to the mother of Shishupala, Shishupalasya Ambayai, to her, Ekam pratignya vachanam dattavan. You had given a promise to her. Remember, Shishupalasya shatam aparadan mrishyami iti. I will forgive 100 faults towards me of Shishupala. Okay. Mrishyami means I will ignore. I will kind of say a tika type of thing. Okay.
Forgive.
Forgive.
Yadi tataha purvam tasya hananam bhavishyati tarhi tava pratigna bhango bhavishyati.
If in fact now you don't wait for that maturity of the 100 aparadas, if you don't give him the chance to do a few more, you will unnecessarily override your own promise. Don't pratignya bhanga, don't do.
Ataha yaga yatra uchita.
Therefore, let us take on this yaga yatra and not jaitra yatra.
Tada karyadvayamapi bhavishyati iti uddavaha yuktivachanam uktavan.
See, there is a lot of hidden thing. See, he will come there also to the yaga, and tada karyadvayam api bhavishyati. How? Because certainly knowing Shishupala, he is going to do a few more betrayals to you. So you can count your 100 and be done with him at that time. So that's what he intends in that. Thank you, Bhagini. You read it off.
2 lines.
Last paragraph is bonus for you. So continue.
Shri Krishna Uddhavasya vachanena santushto bhavat. Saha yagna yatram. Okay, sorry. You have to explain.
You read it off, Bhagini.
Okay. Saha yagnayatram kartum nischitavan. Indraprastham prati prayanam arabdhavan cha.
Oh, Sri Krishna, obviously, I think he was just laying a trap to see how Balarama will. I'm sure he was enjoying this. So, Uddhavasya vachanena santushto abhavat. See, he became happy. So, saha yajna matram kartum nischitavan. Yajna yatram, sorry, yajna matram, no, yajna yatram. He may end up doing the Jaitra Yatra as part of it. So, he determined to do that. Indraprastham prati prayanam arabdhavan. He started off for the travel to Indraprastha, which will be in the next lesson. We will be learning about that. So no need to look too much at this. Here and there we have already done it. You guys look at it once more. Balaraha Ramaha Sri Krishnam Kim Uktavan. Any small portion is enough here.
Balarama Sri Krishnam Chaitrayatram Karoto iti
Uktavan. Correct. Jaitra Yatra Uchita iti Uktavan. Some way you can bring one keyword and you will get. Typically, if such question is for 1 mark, don't waste more than 1 or 2 sentences. And typically such questions will never be for more than 1 marks. Okay, so you don't have to go on and on. I've seen some people literally, cut paste the entire paragraph. What is the first of all, when the invigilator will know, अरे यार ये तो परीक्षा स्थल में नहीं उठ बैठा है, पूरा पुस्तक में जो है वो सब बता रहा है, क्या है यार. तो एक बात बताने से हो जाता था काम ना. तो एक बात जब बताना है वो सिग्निफिकेंट बात हो. ओके, यू शुड नॉट से बलरामः श्रीकृष्णं शिशुपालः लोकपीडकः इति उक्तवान्. दैट इज लाइक अ मीनिंगलेस वे टू आंसर इट. ओके, so pick up the most significant. Correct. What is the final decision? Jaitra Yatra Uchita athva Jaitra Yatram Kuru iti uktavan. Some way, some variant of that you throw in. Wonderful way to answer. Okay, I'll see whether I have been smart. Jaitra Yatra Uchita natu Yajna Yatra iti Balarama uktavan. Correct. Okay, fairly fine. Kutra yuddhavakashah bhavishyati iti Uddhavah uktavan. Easy.
यागे एव
यागे युधिष्ठिरेण करिष्यमाणः युधिष्ठिरेण करिष्यमाणः यागे एव शिशुपालवधाय अथवा युद्धाय अवकाशः भविष्यति इति उद्धवः उक्तवान्. यागे एव युद्धावकाशः भविष्यति इति उद्धवः उक्तवान्. No need to say more than यागे एव and copycat the question and remove the full question mark and put a full stop. Great. Okay. Shri Krishnah किं प्रतिज्ञावचनं दत्तवान् आसीत्? कस्मै? That also is a question. शिशुपालस्य अम्बायै. I heard.
शिशुपालं
शतापराधं मृष्यामि इति. शिशुपालस्य शतापराधं मृष्यामि इति शिशुपालस्य अम्बायै प्रतिज्ञावचनं दत्तवान् आसीत्. Okay. Over time, you will develop the skill of constructing such sentences. Okay, if you read these kind of stories in tons of pages, I read whole 3-4 novels of Bhairappa translated into Sanskritam. Okay, and it's very enjoyable also when you read because they are not they're beautifully written and translated. So over time, you will start, your brain will start picking up what to say. Okay, just knowing.
Who is that author, sir? Who is that author, sir?
S.L. Bhairappa is the original author in Kannada. Translation done by various authors of Sanskrit Bharati. One popular translator is Shriman Vishwasah, Dr. Vishwasah. He has done.
Mangalore Nagare Vasati kila.
He has done several good translations. Others have also done other novels. Generally, Sanskrit Bharati Varishtas have done the translations. Yes.
Mahodaya. Mrishyami tatra dhatuhu kaha?
I also not too sure, Bhagini. Mrish, it looks like mrish. Okay.
Mrisha means vyartha or that I will leave. Jagat is referred to as Mrisha in Bhagavata first shloka. Wow. So Mrisha is something which is not taken to be considered so seriously. Mrisha is mityavat. kind of.
Oh, okay. Advaita Vada.
Yatra Trisargo Mrusha iti Bhagavatasya Pratama Shloke Bhavati. Tatra, where this trimodal nature is actually Mrusha in that God, in that Parabrahman.
Dhanyawad, Mahodaya. Mrushami is what? It's not
Mrishyami.
Lakara.
It is a Bhavishyat Kala, it looks like. Okay.
But I don't find that in the
Dhatu Pata?
Lat Lakarasya.
No. Because you asked now, let me just, it shouldn't take too much time. Let me check quickly.
Uttama Purushe, it's given as Marshishyami.
Ashtadhyayi. Oh, it's giving me Kannada font, my complicated keyboard. Okay. Ashtadhyayi. Mrish Dhatu, right?
Mrish Dhatu, Uttama Purush, Latlakara, Uttama Purush, Bahu, Ekavachan is Mrishyami.
Oh, it is in Lat only, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
It is in present tense only, it should be, right? Mrishyami.
Yes.
Mrish.
That is Marshami, Mahodaya, not Mrishyami.
See, look, Mrishu, Sechane, Sahane cha. So, Sahana. Okay. So, it is having that meaning. So, I think that is the correct dhatu for the context. So, let me pick up. Okay. Marshati is the Latlakara form. And Marshishyati is the Rit. Mrishami, Marshishyami.
Latlakara Uttama Purusha, Marshami, not Mrishyami.
No, you must check in Divadigana. It is 4.0060.
Oh, I'm checking in Dvadihi.
It is there, sir. Mrish Dhatu is there. Kshama Karna.
Yeah, 4.0060.
Mrish Dhatu.
4.60. Yeah.
Correct, sir.
Titikshayam. There is one more. It's again present in the 10th Gana also. My God. Oh, my God. Mrishyati. Mrishyami. Correct. So it is this this sense of it. Titiksha sense. Okay. Tolerance sense. Okay. Yeah, correct. Very subtle meaning variations only.
Which one, Mahodaya? Titikshayam?
Mrisham Titikshayam 4.0060 in the Dhatu Pata. Okay, it's very clear there. It is Mrishyami. Okay.
Maya Uktam Atra na Uchitam.
Chinta nastu. Oh, Are Bhavati eva. Tatkaran, one thing I have learned after Yada Aham Kinchitnyaha, that that ukti keeps applying to me. So every time I remember Subhashita say, oh, don't be a kintignya, just wait. Say I don't know. Like that. Okay. So let us answer these questions and call it a day. Shri Krishna kim pratignya vachanam dattavan asit. We already answered that. Shishupalesya shatam aparadan mrishyami iti Shri Krishna pratignya vachanam dattavan asit. Shri Krishna kena santushtah jatah?
Uddhavasya vachanena.
Very good. Uddhavasya vachanena santushtah jatah. He will become santushta for many reasons. In the context of this kavya, it is maybe in the final exam, if they ask like this, they will ask slightly with a prefix such as mantralochane Shri Krishna kena santushtah jatah. Something like that. They will add the context so that you remember that mantralochana context and Uddhava coming into the equation. Shri Krishna kim kartum nishchitavan.
Yagnayatra
Antato gatva Uddhavasya vachanam eva anusritya santushtah Shri Krishna yajnayatram kartum Yes, yajnayatram kartum nishchitavan. Very nice. Okay, so let us continue the war next week. Hopefully,
sir, interesting session.
Huh?
Interesting session.
Sir. We enjoy every session. We enjoy, sir. It doesn't matter.
Me too, sir. Really nice.
Thank you. In fact, let me tell you a secret. when I did this pariksha 1.5 years back, my MA exam was also going on, and I could not do much justice to read it in a more detailed manner. So I started reading it for one whole week. I said, okay, let me just read the Shiksha book only because the exams are there on that Sunday. So I read the whole book in 1 week and went for the exams. At that time, it was not a home exam. I couldn't open the book and answer. So I just 1 week I could read it. I was surprised. 1 week I could grab it. If you focus and that is the need of the hour, you can do such things. Okay. So now I am actually doing Rasaswada with you guys. That
Okay.
time it was like taka 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 like an engine, not really meaningful reading. So now I am actually enjoying. Yeah. Okay. So
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय
तेजस्वीनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 नमो नमः